Hello students, I'm starting with the new chapter from PA2 syllabus from your English grammar book. Now I hope all of you are at home, you are fine, you have given your essay 2 exams. We'll continue with the studies. Now a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with that noun or pronoun or some other word in the sentence. It also tells us the location of a person, thing, animal, or particular object. Now, various examples have been given to you on page number 61. Like, we'll see the first one. She is jumping over the box. Now, what is the girl doing? She is jumping. The object is box, but the verb and the object box, that is the noun, इन दोनों में रिलेशन क्या है, लोकेशन क्या है, पोजीशन क्या है, वो हमें वर्ड बता रहा है ओवर, मतलब बॉक्स के ऊपर से. Likewise, we have the second example also. She is running around the box. Girl is there. What is she doing? Running around the box. Box is noun. So the relationship between verb and noun that has been given to you by the word around. कि action verb क्या है? Running. कैसे हो रहा है? Around the box. Box के चारों तरफ. Okay? So there are different words which will give you the relationship between the verb and the noun, or it will tell you the location of a person, animal or thing. Read all the examples given. Like I will take the last example. She is going through the box. Through का मतलब है आर पार जा रही है. Okay, so you can see in the picture also, going through the box. Box खाली है, box के through. She is going through the box. Okay, now read the sentences which have been given on page 62. The dog sits beside her. I am sorry for you. Rima plays with her. So all the italicized words which are given, जो italics में है, all these words are prepositions. In the same way, the sentences in the second part have also been given. Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. The sun shines in the day. By mistake, I have underlined shines. The underlined verb will be in. Seventh sentence. She came from Hyderabad. So from is the word that we will call as preposition. Fine, you just need to read the sentences and you will learn to place the right preposition with a little bit of effort and exercise. The exercises have been done from you. When you do the first exercise, that is MCQ, when you do the second exercise, he sits beside his brother. So first you have to write the sentence, pick out the preposition that is beside, और beside को आप sentence के बाद अलग से लिखेंगे. First you will write the sentence. In the second line you will write the preposition that is beside. इस तरह से answer लिखेंगे. For example, the 10th sentence, I am interested in reading poems. You will write the whole sentence and then in the second line you will write the preposition that is in. This is the way you will do it. And the rest of the exercises also, you will do all of them in your grammar copy.